All right. Just had some good old Waffle House here in Georgia. Just filled up, took a little break. We are not far over the border into Georgia, heading north on 95. We were not planning to go 95, but there is a monster rainstorm that is heading in that we are undoubtedly are going to hit very soon. So we just wanted to cover as many miles as possible before getting absolutely rained on. As you can see here, I just put my rain bag over my travel bag. But, all right, here we go. Back on the road, more miles. I am absolutely loving the Legends front suspension. I can't wait to get it home onto actual some twisties when the weather gets nice. Down here everything's flat, but already I can feel the sharpness of how nimble and quick this thing feels. A lot of bikes heading north today. All right, time to settle in, get comfy. 168 miles at least to where we need to be in South Carolina, heading to Orangeburg. And as you can see, we are heading into the rain all over there. Thank God it's just rain and not a thunderstorm though. Hopefully it's light. $203 miles left. Oh yeah, I have rain gear, but at this point I'm already wet.
What's that?
I said I have rain gear, but at this point I'm already wet.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw my leather on just to break some of it up.
Some leather? Oh, your jacket?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My body's already wet, but at least it'll keep it from getting worse.
Yeah. Maybe I should put mine on.
Yeah, put something on, man. Might as well. No reason to fucking make yourself suffer more than you have to.
I guess that is true.
It'll get colder.
It is, man. It's gonna get real cold up in South Carolina. Oh yeah. sun's going down.
Woo!
Paul, nice and warm?
Oh, fucking toasty. Can't feel my hands. I can't feel my fucking legs.
Look at the good old, it's so hard to see because it's dark, but all the Carolina clay all over my footboards. We had a little bit of adventure coming in. Oh.
End of the trip, little wheeling adventure on that mud road.
All right, time to load up, warm up, and all right. Made it back to the trailer in Orangeburg, South Carolina, just as the sun went down. And cold, wet. Paul's like frozen to the core. He's already inside warming up. I just wanted to get the big bike into the trailer because all my clothes are in that bag. And I didn't want to pull this cover off the bag while the bike is out in the rain. So I'm going to strap this thing down, go warm up, and then we got to hit the road in the truck.